Hi, I'm Zoe. For my final project, I was looking for a relationship between the number of followers on a Twitter account and the number of tweets they've made. It's titled Twitter, the relationship between followers and tweet count. If you don't know, Twitter is a social media platform in which users can tweet. Tweets are posts that can be text or media and only have a maximum of 140 characters. After creating a Twitter profile, you typically gain followers and write tweets. You might write more tweets to gain followers, or if you have more followers, you might want to write more tweets. I searched for the relationship between these two variables. My null hypothesis was b is equal to 0, and my alternative hypothesis was b is greater than 0. In this case, b was the slope of the regression line that related the number of followers to the number of tweets on a profile. In order to collect my data, I utilized the Twitter IDs, which are a unique set of numbers that are attributed to each profile. First, I generated a random ID number using random.org. Then I used an ID converter, which converted the numerical value into a Twitter handle. I then went on to Twitter and found the handle associated with the unique ID. At the top of every Twitter profile, there are stats for the number of tweets the profile's made, as well as the number of followers the profile has. I then plotted my collected data on a scatter plot that related the number of followers to the number of tweets. I continued to do this with the rest of my data and calculated the least squares regression line. The slope of this line ended up being 6.709 tweets per follower. When I calculated the t-statistic using the slope over the standard error of the slope, I got a value of 9.723. This p-value ended up being 0. This means that we can reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. Now, this doesn't mean if you make 600 tweets you'll have 100 followers instantly, but there is an association, due either to the nature of the social media platform or possibly due to time. Thanks for listening.